Okay, back. Got the wife's blow dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm gonna heat all the way around. There's ice I can see through here. Definitely there's some here, and there looks like there's some back there too. So the idea is you hear that when I push on it, you can hear it. All the ice back there, it's just loaded. There's a fan back here. What happens is the ice will get so far up, but that fan will actually get encased in ice too. And then there's got temperature sensors up here, and you've got a defrost thermostat back there too. So I'm going to be changing out all of this and this whole front cover. So the first thing we got to do is get this thing off. So I'm not going to bore you with me blow drying, but the idea is to just, you know, when you go in these holes and go on the sides, try to blow dry on the edges. Once you get it moving a little bit, you can get from behind on the back on this side. You'll actually be able to get behind there, and the water will start dripping down. I just put it up here. I can actually hear it going cracking as soon as I like hit it. But you know, typically, you know, you go at the bottom. You can see that ice up there. If I go in here in this hole, it should start going up. And if you look, I'm going at this hole right here. You can see the water moving up there. And if I look up here, the hole above it. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see if I can get it to focus. But I'm at the hole below, but you can actually see the water moving, and you can hear it cracking. So yeah, you can see the water just drip, and I'm actually blowing in the hole below it. So yeah, the water's starting to move up, move out, starting to melt. And the idea is you want to get this thing to free up so you can get it off. I'm trying to do this as fast as possible because I just pulled out all this food. I put lunch meats and stuff in a cooler. Everything else is here, but I'm trying to do this as quick as possible so that we don't lose any food. Got a bunch of very expensive cheeses I also put in the cooler, and that would really stink to lose all that stuff. So, but like I said, looking forward to getting this new piece on. I'll show you guys all the pieces that I've got. I do see some ice up here too, so we might actually have to do the top. So anyways, I'm not going to bore you guys with me blow drying. I don't know if you can actually hear me right now with this blow dryer going, but I'll get this loosened up. Once in a while, what I'll do is I'll do that. You can see the water is starting to move on top, and then what I'll do is I'll just smack it a little bit like this. See if I can get it to loosen up. I can feel, you can actually feel where the ice is, and it's big chunks in there. And you can see here, there's just a ton of ice behind there. So, but all right, I'll be back. See you guys in a little bit.